For today's product review, I will be covering the Sweet Earth Mindful Chicken Strip. So without further ado, y'all, let's get right into it, okay? Taste-wise, y'all, this product all up and through bland island. It also had like a really weird aftertaste. Like I was getting like hints of lemon in there and I was just like, where does lemon and like vegan chicken like work together? I'm lost, right? Just know when it was all said and done, I did make my way to the garbage can. Like I was not gonna finish it. Texture-wise, surprisingly though, I felt like they really understood this part. Cost-wise, this one came in at $7.49 right at Wegmans. If you should decide to try this product, you can find it there, you can find it at Whole Foods, and you can also find it at Target. So let's get right into the cook time, you guys. Sweet Earth recommends that you use the skillet. They recommend you do so on medium heat in a lightly oiled skillet for about 5 minutes. I followed those instructions to a T. I could see where like the vegan chicken was starting to like brown up a little bit, so I thought that was pretty good instruction by and large. And let me just get into my experience, y'all. So I had some liquid amino, vegan butter, and some vegan cream cheese, just a small amount of both. And then I also had some onions, some garlic, and some broccoli that I threw alongside this. If this vegan chicken would have delivered, bruh, the flavors was like boom, 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 boom. You know what I mean? The vegan chicken just, it wasn't doing what it was supposed to do. Guys, in closing, this is my third product review for a Sweet Earth product. If you're familiar with my channel, what's up? Thank you for the support. I appreciate you. I appreciate your eyeballs, you know. But I've done a couple reviews at this point. Besides this one now, I've got the cauliflower mac that I did the benevolent bacon. They've all proven to be duds for me. So I'm gonna just take a long break from this brand for a while. I just don't think it's connecting for me. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please be blessed.